slow down. I wanted to put a video out this morning that I shot while on vacation with my son. We went out to British Columbia, Canada, and we filmed a video while at the top of Whistler Mountain. Scenery was beautiful, and we talked about some pretty cool stuff. Some stuff that I think would be very, very helpful to some of you who are new to YouTube. And we had a lot of fun and a lot of cool stuff. He's a software developer, so he knows a lot about how algorithms work or how they can work. Anyways, not going to get into that now. That video is not ready. I wanted so bad to put that out today because I like to put a video out every week, and that's the one I was focused on. But it's not ready, so I've just got to slow down. The reason it's not ready, I mean, we filmed it. And I like to say that, you know, don't put too much time and thought into making videos. Just film a video and release it. Sometimes done is better than perfect, right? I say that, and it's been said to me. But I'm going to go against that right now because when I look at that video, I wasn't happy with the intro. Okay, the intro, there wasn't much of an intro. I mean, we were standing there and we were trying to decide how to start it off, and we knew what we wanted to talk about. But I don't know, the intro was not good. So what I feel would make that video better and result in more people watching it is if I had a better intro. Now, like, I guess, again, this is not what I'm not practicing what I preach here, but maybe I am a little bit. Like, intros are so important. If you don't have your intro dialed in to what's actually in your video, maybe people won't watch it, right? They won't be hooked in enough to want to watch. So like in this case, the video is about several different topics to do with shadow banning and censorship and what you can say on YouTube and deleting comments and people getting their comments deleted, and all about all that kind of stuff and how it all works. And it's fascinating, and I think you guys would really benefit from hearing that. But the way we started that video out, we were just going to talk about shadow banning. We ended up talking about a whole bunch of different things. So the intro that I recorded doesn't apply anymore. I feel like there should be more there. So I'm going to make a proper video with voiceover. So this is where I say that sometimes if you spend a little extra time on the intro, you know, set it up properly with voiceover, maybe some B-roll, things like that, and set up your video better, then perhaps more people will watch. Okay, so that's what I need to do. I need to slow down, park that video for now, and I'll have that out probably Monday. But today is Friday. I wanted to put a video out, so this is what you're going to get. So it's basically just a reminder to A, slow down, like don't rush things, but also B, do spend some time on your intro and recognize that your intros are important. Now, I've made a video that talks about why I don't think you should put intros in your video. So what's up? That video is more talking about polished intros with, you know, background music and almost like a branding thing that people used to do with flying logos and all that stuff. That's not what I'm talking about here. Those types of intros I'm not a big fan of, and I feel like they're almost a waste of time for your viewers. What I'm talking about when I say intro in this case is more the hook, like setting the stage, the first sentence or two or three that I say before the video begins. All right, that's what I'm going to spend some time on, and hopefully you guys can be the judge if it was worth the wait or not on Monday when it comes out. I haven't even filmed it yet. Well, I've got B-roll footage I'm going to use for it, but I haven't recorded what I'm going to say for the intro yet. I'm going to work on that after I release this. So anyway, I'm rambling. I hope you're all doing great. I hope you find this helpful. Slow down, spend some time in your intros. And your video could be a whole lot more successful if you do that. But yeah, in the meantime, my name is Rob. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I am home now. I got home yesterday, and that said, I'll see you in the next video. All right, bye.